Hey friend, welcome to our channel. It's easy. Hope you are good and enjoying your life. And I am back with a new topic in our playlist which named Describe Anything. As in the last video, I described about Bluetooth speaker. And describing about Bluetooth speaker in English, I feel very pleasure that I am speaking English very well for now and describing things in English and trying to improve my fluency and speed also. So now today's topic is that I will explain my own app, which is an offline music player app that is called named MuZing. MuZing means listen music with Zing, and Zing means excitement. First of all, I want to tell you that I am an Android developer. I make Android apps. I never tell you all in my this YouTube channel, but I also developed app. Here is my app. You can see that. And now I am installing my app, so you can believe that it's on Play Store. So that's just installing this. Yeah. So I just downloaded my app, and now I will tell you the features and from which app my app inspires and from which app my app resembles. So my app resembles and inspired from the YouTube music. It looks like somewhat YouTube music. Some features is same as the YouTube music, but YouTube music is an online music player app. But my app is the offline music player app. It means it supports the songs or music which is stored in your device or in your memory card, which is in your device. So you can listen that music, and it is only helpful when you didn't want to use, you can say, your data or Wi-Fi, and you don't have data at particular place. So it's useful at that time. It have many features. If you download, you will also know. But I will tell you some main features of this which is new to this app. So first feature I will explain you that is not seen in the previous apps, or you can say other music player apps, is overlay player. Overlay player means here that the player which will be overlaying on the other apps while this app is in background. Let me show you. Go to the settings, and here is the option on the fourth of the list, overlay player. And when you click this option, it will ask for the permission that are you sure to give this app a permission to overlay a particular app or particular item on any app. You can check this as a true, or you can check this as yes. So when you go back, then you will see it's automatically here on, you can say switch on here. So now I will play a song for you, and you can see that how overlay over other apps while you are using it. Okay, here is a song of Ayushmann Khurrana, Naino Ka Kya Kasoor, from the Andhadhun Music, and I am just minimizing the app now. And here is you can see the overlay player, which can I drag also to anywhere. And now I can use any apps here. So let's suppose I will use Gmail app. So here is the overlay player. You can play post from here. You can switch the music from here. As easy as that. You don't have to scroll down the player to change from here. Now the second feature I will tell you that is the feature move and shake to speed up the music. Okay. Interesting. It's again we will go to second, and it's a new feature. I think that it's never used in any other music app never before. So you can say it's in the third option, auto playback speed change, and the description is given below. Use sensors and change speed for the current track. Okay, so I am switching on this, and now let's see what happens. Now I will again I will play that song. Now you will observe that the song is very slow. Yeah, but when I move this device, the speed automatically changes. And I will share you the screen recording of this player which is currently happening in this phone, so you can verify that it's happening or not. Here is all the playback speeds on the top of the movie image, so you can see that. So whenever you want to go for a jogging or you want to dance on any song, so just click this option and try to move it fast. Then the song or speed automatically makes it fast, and you will enjoy the song fastly and enjoy the song lyrics fastly. So I think it's a very interesting feature to hear songs at your speed, not at the normal speed, at your speed. So I hope you like this app, and it has a lot of features more. You can reshuffle your playlist which you played, or you can make your custom playlist, or you can say you can change speed manually also, and you can there is up next list, normal features which you can see in the big apps like YouTube Music, Spotify, Ghana. These types of apps also have these features. Hope you like this app, and hope you like all the features and the new features I integrated. So we'll meet you soon in the next video with the next topic, with the next thing to describe in English, and I will try to improve my fluency and vocabulary more. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye for today. If you like this video, then click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified for the new video. So thank you and bye bye.